Hello there! Today we are going to make a design. So let's grab our book and see what do we have. Wow! We have a really interesting design right here. Let's take our pencil, follow the steps and complete this geometrical design. Yes, at first we are going to make these dots so that it is easier for us to make a square. Did you know that a square's sides are equal? Yes, so all the four sides have to be of equal length. And look, our square is ready. Well, each side of our square is 10 centimeter. So let's take the half of it, which is 5 centimeter, and then make this. Let's take a 5 centimeter here as well and then make a sleeping line. This looks brilliant. Now let's take an approximate measurement of half the size of the line and then make these dots. Yes, it is approximately half of 5 centimeter, which is 2.5 centimeter. And then let's make these curves by joining these points. Let's do this nicely. And then make a big circle in the middle, joining all these four curves. Well, it is completely alright if it is exactly not similar to the one mentioned in the book. We have to try and make it as similar as possible. This looks amazing. Now, let's make these curves at the edge. This looks lovely, isn't it? Complete all the four corners in a similar way. That's amazing. Now, we will start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching. And try making a freehand drawing right here. We will start with the circle in the center. Something like this. And then make these curves accordingly. Go very slow while making these curves. Complete all the four sides and then the corners. This looks brilliant. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. Yes, and make the entire drawing look neat and clean. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Let's start coloring this. Well, we will take an ochre color and color this part. Always remember, when you're taking one color, we will color all the parts which are of that particular color and then go ahead with other colors. So, let's complete all the parts which require ochre to be colored in it. This is gonna save us time. That's amazing. Color in the circle which is in the center as well. Yes, by coloring the outline at first and then coloring inside. This looks beautiful. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces. The next color we are going to choose is red color. Now let's do all the parts which has red color in them. Yes, we will do the outline and go very slow while coloring inside. This looks beautiful, isn't it? That's lovely. Fill in all the white spaces and continue coloring in a similar way. This looks brilliant. Finally, let's take brown color and color in the middle section. Yes, in all the parts which are remaining now. We will do the outline first and then color inside only in one direction. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. This is very interesting, isn't it? I'm having a lot of fun coloring this. Are you? That's lovely. This looks brilliant, isn't it?